welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new. And today we're going to be rating all my fidgets out of 1 to 10. And I'm sorry that I haven't been posting a lot, but that's because I've been busy with school because it's, the last day, and I've been doing some work, so yeah. And we'll get into this right now. First fidget I'm going to be rating will be this banana stretchy thing. The stretchy banana. And it has sand in it and just sounds so good to me. Like, listen. I don't know. I just like the sound of it. And it's just really squeezy and stretchy. Sorry, I'm only filming with one hand, so it's not very good when I stretch it. But I really like this, so I'll rate this in 9.5 out of 10. Definitely. Next one is this. I got this today. Oh, yeah. And I got this today. I went to school and fidget traded, so I got that banana. And then I got this also for fidget trading. And I actually really like this, except all the buttons are quiet. Like, oh wait, what? Oh, never mind. Oh, why is it all wet and greasy? I have no idea why it's all greasy. Yeah, whatever. And then this, you just move around and it's kind of clicky. And then you spin this. And I actually really like this. So, I'll rate it about an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Next thing, let's see. This Poppet. Okay, so I got this Poppet from Target, and don't get me wrong, I'm so excited that I found this. Oh my gosh, at Target. But the thing is, they pop back up like that, and it's just not a good Poppet. I just, like, listen. You can't even hear anything, and then they all pop back up. It is so easy. It's so annoying. And, I mean, it's pretty good on the side, but it's just like, I don't really like this Poppet. But, I mean, I like it, but, like, not that much. So, I'll rate it about a 6 out of 10. Next is my wacky track. Yeah. And I really like my wacky track because it has a good click on it. And earlier today, someone was messing with it, so it's not that good. I'm trying to do this with one hand because my other hand's filming. Okay, so I'll rate this 6 out of 10. Alright, next fidget. I'm closing my eyes, by the way, when I pick out of there. And I pulled out this dimple. I actually like this dimple a lot. This dimple's off-brand, though. So, I mean, not that good. I mean, it's actually good to me. Don't send hate comments, please. but I like it even though it's off-brand and cool. I still like it a lot. So I'll rate this about 8 out of 10. Okay, what's coming out of the bag? I grabbed 2 things. We're gonna put one of these back. So the first thing I grabbed was an infinity cube. And I actually really like this infinity cube. And I already know, I'm just gonna rate it right off the bat. I'm gonna rate it, oh my gosh, a 9 out of 10. The next thing I pulled out was this mochi. It's broken though. So, you know, I'll just rate this a 3 out of, no, 1 out of 10. Not the best fidget. Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite thing. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. I have this color changing needle. I also traded, ew, hold on, let me get this off. I also traded this today. And yeah, so I'll rate it definitely 10 out of 10 because this is so good and so soft. 10 out of 10. Recommended, guys. You can get those at Learner's Plus. And next up, Shaggy Nito, also from today. So good. I love this. And also, one of the reasons why I love it is because, like, you can all, like, it's a stress ball, but it's textured. Like, normal stress balls, smooth, but this is, like, textured, you know? And I just like it because sometimes you can just, yeah. So I'll rate this also 10 out of 10. I already know what I'm going to rate this, but it's like a teal stress ball. Orby stress ball, teal Orby stress ball. This was from yesterday, but I'll rate this a 8 out of 10. Okay. Got a lot more fidgets to go, guys. I keep switching hands. Okay, we have this, oh my gosh, this Pop-It. This is actually really good. This is the bad side. And here's the good side. I really like this. On camera it looks brown, but it's really rose gold, so. And I'm gonna rate this 9.5 out of 10. I really like this Pop-It. Next thing, another Pop-It. Okay, I rate this Pop-It. Well, this is a rainbow square Pop-It, and I got this in my first ever fidget pack that I ordered. And ever since then, I just really liked it. It was my best Pop-It, and I'm pretty sure it still is. I don't know, I might get some good trades tomorrow because now I have a bunch of good stuff. And actually, one of my fidgets are in the freezer because I'm freezing ice in it. Well, I'm freezing lemonade. So I'll rate this 9 out of 10. Why? Okay, this was my last Pop-It. Let me check. Yep, last Pop-It. Okay. This was like from a candy store. I got it at a birthday party. And this is the bad side. Not really that good. Okay, and here's the good side. Pretty good. And tomorrow is my last day of school, so I can post more. That's good. And I'll rate this 10 out of 10. I just actually kind of like this because it's like soft and kind of quiet. Like when you need a quiet fidget, this is pretty quiet. And then it has a really loud side. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Next fidget. I'm just gonna grab a handful now. Okay. First we have all these marble mesh. I really kind of like marble mesh, so I'm just gonna rate these 7 out of 10. Mochi. This is really cute, so I'm gonna rate it a 6 out of 10. Monkey Noodle. Not really into these. 2 out of 10. Fidget pad. I love fidget pads. And I am going to rate this a 10 out of 10. Love this. Another handful that I'm grabbing. Okay. More stuff. More marble mash. Still rate these the same, which was pretty sure 5 out of 10. Mochis, 6 out of 10. Really cute. And Monkey Noodle, don't like them. Still 2 out of 10. Ooh, a snake. I actually really like this snake. So I'll give it 9 out of 10. Anything else in my fidget bag? Okay, I got 2 more things. I got this bike chain, which I kind of don't like this. So I'll rate it 6 out of 10. Monkey Noodle, still 2 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And that was me rating all my fidgets 1 to 10. And make sure you like and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so you get a notification every time I post. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next video.